Amid the mist-clad Himalayas, where rivers trace silver paths through the hills, a new current of change is flowing. In Sikkim, the Pradhan Mantri Matsya Sampada Yojana (PMMSY), launched in 2020 by the Government of India, is transforming fisheries and aquaculture into engines of sustainable growth and self-reliance. Through a 90-10 center-state model for northeastern and Himalayan states from 2020 to 21 to 2024 to 25, it is carrying the blue revolution upstream, lifting production, livelihoods and ecological balance in the very spirit of Atmanirbhar Bharat. The Fisheries Department, Government of Sikkim, began implementing PMMSY in 2020 to 21 to build infrastructure, nurture entrepreneurship and strengthen the rural economy. Since then, it has executed 15 beneficiary-oriented and 3 non-beneficiary-oriented activities with an investment of 78.28 crore, including 46.82 crore from the centre, 5.23 crore from the state, and 26.23 crore from beneficiaries. This partnership has created a network of modern aquaculture units across districts, steadily improving production and livelihoods. Sikkim's pristine waters are ideal for trout farming. Under PMMSY, 7 trout hatcheries, each having a production capacity of 10 lakh eyed ova each, and 830 raceways producing about 1 metric ton annually have been established, meeting local demand and positioning Sikkim as a potential trout supplier to neighbouring states. For the first time, ornamental fisheries have flourished, with 150 backyard and 10 medium-scale units providing livelihoods for rural youth and women. 4 recreational fisheries now link livelihood with ecotourism, blending enterprise with artistry. Courtesy of PMMSY, innovation has reached the hills through recirculatory aquaculture systems (RAS) and biofloc units, 4 medium and 14 small, delivering high yields with minimal water use and aligning economic growth with environmental care. Cold chain facilities such as an ice plant, fish feed mills, vending centres and motorcycles with ice boxes have improved freshness and quality and reduced post-harvest loss. To connect farmers directly with consumers, 16 fish kiosks including ornamental fish outlets have been established across the state, securing fair prices and pride in local produce. Additionally, in lean seasons, 695 traditional fishers were supported with livelihood and nutrition, sustaining homes and hope alike. Beyond individual aid, PMMSY has strengthened the sector's very backbone in Sikkim. 2 brood banks for rainbow trout at Memeso, Gangtok district and Amur Karp at Rothak, Soreng district ensure quality brooder supply. A modern fish market in Gangtok and extensive capacity building programs have empowered farmers and officials alike, giving birth to a resilient, future-ready aquaculture ecosystem. And the results of these collective efforts speak for themselves.
आज अलिकति राम्रो यो माछा पालनमा हाम्रो सक्सेस भएको छ, सफलता भएको छ। त्यसै कारणले चाहिँ आज यो PMMSY प्रधानमन्त्री मत्स्य सम्पदा योजना बनेर धेरै गभर्नमेन्टबाट हामीले स्किमहरू पायो र हामीले धेरै फाइदाहरू गरेको छ र हामीले यही माछा पालनबाट चाहिँ यो सबै कुरो आफ्नो जीविका चलाइरहेको छ। हामी राम्रो यो नानीहरुलाई हामी प्राइभेट स्कुल पढायौं, राम्रो बाहिर कलेजहरू पढाउन सक्यौ।
Fish production has risen from 415 metric tons in 2020 to 21 to 953 metric tons in 2024 to 25. A 129% increase in 5 years, powered by improved hatcheries and new technology. Over 2,000 direct jobs have been created, benefiting farmers, entrepreneurs and allied workers, with some earning up to 45 lakhs annually. Sikkim now boasts a complete value chain, from seed to retail, ensuring fair returns and fresh, hygienic fish for consumers. Rising incomes have, in turn, transformed lives. Families invest in homes, education and new aspirations. Women and tribal farmers stand at the forefront of this transformation, proving that empowerment flows when opportunity is shared.
Going forward, We remain committed to strengthen the cold water aquaculture of our state, to improve the broodstock and seed quality, to expand the cold chain and value addition facilities, and promote sustainable practices to build a resilient and self-reliant fishery sector in our state.
Through these 5 years, Pradhan Mantri Matsya Sampada Yojana (PMMSY) has made commendable progress in strengthening the aquaculture sector and uplifting the lives of the fish farmers in Sikkim. Aligning with the national vision of Atmanirbhar Bharat and Viksit Bharat 2047, we have been prioritizing our activities for ensuring sustainable growth and enhanced livelihood and a resilient fisheries economy. Fisheries Department stands committed and shall continue to strive to become a model for responsible and self-reliant fisheries economy in the nation.
With its focus on cold water aquaculture and eco-friendly systems, PMMSY preserves Sikkim's natural harmony and fragile mountain environment while promoting ecotourism through recreational and ornamental fisheries. With growing trade, innovation and digital expansion, Sikkim, through its Department of Fisheries, looks ahead to a renewed future, emerging as a model for cold water aquaculture in the Himalayas. Each milestone of PMMSY is setting a ripple in motion, widening across the hills into new dreams, new directions, and endless possibilities. As the landlocked state of Sikkim is carving its own tides of success in aquaculture.